We are nearing the completion of our new Burlington, Washington branch location. Our staff is stocking the store with over 45,000 individual fasteners and industrial supplies. We are looking forward to being open for business in September. Have a question or need assistance right now? Please call 1-877-586-1075 or email burlington@tacomascrew.com. We are always happy to be of service. Shop and order online at www.tacomascrew.com. Fasteners, tools, maintenance, and shop supplies. Exceptional customer service.